Hey guys, it's me, Tommy, and in this video I'm going to be showing you this really cute and super quick look. I call them like space buns. This clip right here is from my last video. I don't know where the clip was showing like how my hair looks, just down, so I just inserted that clip. That's the reason why the shirt's different here. But basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna make 4 barrel twists. Now, I am new to this lock journey of mine. I'm officially 3 months locked. So I am not a professional when it comes to styling my locks, since again, I am 3 months in. I'm learning how to retwist my hair and everything like that. So just bear with me as you see a person who is trying to figure it out. But when I seen on TikTok how to do barrel twist, basically you like twist like the front, like the first 2 locks, you like twist it, and then you start to gather like the lock on the top and then the lock on the bottom. And that's how you do the barrel twist look. So you see me here just struggling how to do it. I think the style would look a little bit neater if I had a fresh retwist, but this is probably like week 2 of a retwist, so it's not looking as fresh, like my parts are not looking as clean. Also too, I like the fuzzy look of my locks, so therefore my barrel twists are not looking as sharp as you would see like on TikTok, Pinterest, and Instagram, because I just prefer like to have fuzzy locks. But anyway, this is what I'm doing here is I'm just taking one lock at the bottom, looping it over, taking a lock at the top, looping it over, and then I'm gonna use a scrunchie to just tie that together. I'm gonna go a little bit closer to attempt to show you guys how I'm doing it. So like I said, I'm just gonna take the first 2 locks and I'm going to twist them just separately off the top of my head. So you see me twisting it together, and then I'm gonna lay them against my head, and then I'm gonna take the lock at the top, twist it over, the lock at the bottom, twist it over. And apparently that's just how you do the barrel twist. Again, not a professional. This is actually my 2nd time attempting to do barrel twist, so I'm trying to get used to making it neat. But yeah, this is me. If you're just like me, where you just started your lock journey and you're trying to style your own hair instead of going to a stylist, I guess this video is for you, just to see like you can potentially do it. Anyway, I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna let the music play because I'm gonna repeat this method 2 more times after doing this barrel twist. Now, when I did my last retwist, the lock-in gel that I used gave me like a white debris. So I'm just taking my sacred oil to try to get rid of like that whiteness from the lock gel. So if you're wondering what I'm putting on my head, that's what that is. And I'm gonna go back to doing the barrel twist. But I jumped back on just to say, like, if you just subscribe to me because you found me, you started your lock journey, you wanna follow along with me, how long have you been locked? And for my girlies who have been locked, if you can give me any tips and tricks on how to make my barrel twist just a little bit neater. Like I said, I like my locks to be fuzzy. Am I supposed to like twist the fuzziness out so that it's nice and neat, or do I leave it? So please leave your tips below as a girl who is just starting out and trying to look as good as possible on YouTube. I don't want anybody to click on this video and just be like, she knows what she's doing, because I don't. And don't mind the ashy hands. I don't know. I always have ashy hands. But if you have any tips and tricks, please leave them below. Let me know. If you like the way it looks, then let me know if it looks fine. Again, I'm just starting, and I want to make sure that I'm giving you guys good content for my lock girlies. But if you're not locked and you still want to do this hairstyle, hopefully you enjoy this style. By the way, if you don't have locks and you want to recreate this style, you can actually make 4 cornrows and do the same look. You don't have to worry about doing this whole like barrel twist look. I think it would look super dope if you do like inverted cornrows and then add the hair at the end like I'm gonna show you. That would be really clutch if you want to try this look and you're not locked. Now here I'm just putting some more of my sacred oil just so that it looks a little moisturize, if you want to say. You know, us and black people, we love when our hair is glistening, looking like we just dipped our head in some fried chicken. So that's what I'm doing there. And now I'm just gonna take some of my bundles that I had like in a stash. I think this is my tropical curl curly hair. If you're interested, go to HairDeLaCreme.com. I think that's what this is. I just have like a drawer just full of like bundles, and this one had the curl that I was looking for. So basically all I'm doing is I'm taking half of the bundle and I'm wrapping it around my ponytail, and then I'm gonna secure it with a bobby pin. And then after I secure it with the bobby pin, I'm gonna go ahead and put it up in a bun after like pulling the curls apart. I'm not gonna like pull the curls apart like completely, but just a little bit, because I want the ends to be curly and the bun to be fluffy. And I'm just taking a rubber band and I'm just making that first bun. And like I said, just fluffing it out, making sure that it's like looking good and you can't see that my locks are in between it. And then we're gonna take the second half of the bundle, do the same thing, wrap it around the two barrel twists. That's what I'm doing. So I have two buns, so two on one and two on the other. And then again, securing it with the bobby pin, and then fluffing it out a little bit so that I'm hiding my locks underneath, and then I'm doing my bun. The way I do my bun is I just flip the hair upside down so that the hair is sticking up on the top. After I do this, I'm gonna go ahead and add some hair to like frame my face. I think that would look super cute. So I'm just making sure that my buns are like even before I go ahead and add some extra hair. This is some extra hair that I had from when I did my Y Wigs review. It's their human hair. So I'm just taking some of it, I'm splitting it, and what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put like it spaced around my head, if that's what you call it. I am so bad with this voiceover today. I have no idea what I'm going through. But anyway, I'm just gonna take that hair and then I'm gonna pull it in between one of my locks, and I'm gonna just knot it so that it looks like I just have like that boho theme of like the curly hair just framing my face. And you could just do it wherever you want to, wherever you want to frame your face. Don't worry about the hair. I'm gonna define it a little bit, so just ignore that. You're gonna see it defined later on in this clip. But I'm just going in just some spaces around my locks and just adding that human hair along the way. Now for defining the curls, I'm going to use this Big Papa defining gel, as well as my aloe spritz. This is just a spritz that I use to moisturize my hair, and I'm just using that to just define the curls a little bit. I don't want all of the curls to be too defined and too shiny. I'm just only doing it for the human hair that I have like framing my face, and then some pieces of the hair that's in the space buns, just so that it doesn't look as frizzy. And that is the complete look. So I'm just gonna be quiet again as you guys see me define my curls. By the way, that Big Papa gel, if you guys are naturally curly and you want to get some super defined curls, that gel is, oh my god, like I use that for the end of my locks, and I love the way it defines my type 4 hair, because I have curly ends of my locks. I love it so much. I use it on my daughter's hair. I haven't used it on my husband's hair, but I love that gel. I actually picked that up from TJ Maxx, so hopefully TJ Maxx will have more, because I need that in my stash. And this is the final look. I think this hairstyle is perfect if you're about to go out for date night, or you have a special occasion, or you just want to look cute for work, and you are newly locked like me, and your locks are really short, you want to like pizzazz it a little bit. This is a really, really cute look to do. Like I said, if you're not locked, you could do cornrows, inverted, and I think it would look just as cute. I thank you guys for bearing through my voiceover, even though I stumbled a lot. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys with my next tutorial. Bye guys.